I'm running my own copy of bookworm Pup64, and I'd like to show you how to download and use a Firefox app image. This app image is a distinctly a different type of application because it comes in a single file, and you, rather than getting it from a distro package manager, you download it from a web, and it's supposed to be able to run in any Linux distro. But today, although I'm going to talk mainly about Firefox app image, I also use Shortcut.AppImage for video editing, and I've also used LibreOffice app image. So it's a great source of application used for even in PuppyLInux. So where you can download the app image is I'm going to leave a link to the web page here, but I've elected to download this particular Firefox 2025 January 30th version, and this is pre-release, so this is what you want, and this is latest. And you can go down to assets and then just click on this and it'll download it. I've actually already downloaded it, so it's over here. So it is just a single file, and that's how easy it is just to download it. Now what you have to do is, with the app image, you have to convert it to what's executable file. So what you do is you can just go ahead and start a terminal in that downloads folder, and there's single Firefox by chmod +X, and then what you want to do is just go ahead and Firefox, and then it's going to watch in a rocks. It's going to change the color, because just to let you know that now it's executable. So now, rather than having that long name, though, what you may want to do is just shorten it. So for this particular presentation, we'll just go ahead and rename it to Firefox app image. And then, although my Firefox is different in that I am actually using right now I'm using Firefox from here, but in a PuppyLinux, so I'm actually running from here. But in PuppyLinux, you have choice of having running a portable Firefox. It's only for PuppyLinux, and also you can also get a SFS file and then also run a Firefox. But there is an app image, but we're just going to mainly go back. Let me just close this, and then we're just going to click it to see what it looks like. So just click it, and then you can see this is a Firefox. So rather than having a download file, for most of us, it's probably the good idea just to put it in let's say OPT folder. So we're just gonna drag it here and copy. So here, rather than clicking on the FF app image every time you want to start, what you can do is just go ahead and see, go ahead and start this way. But this is not the ideal way. Is just go ahead and OPT FF dot app image, and then you can go ahead, you'll go ahead and start. Let me just show you how some of us may like it on the desktop. So you can just go ahead and drag it here and then put it on the desktop. For example, we'll just put it right over here. And then we may want to icon is fine. You may want to get a shortcut, keyboard shortcut. So we'll click on it, and then just for demonstration purposes, we can use Control Shift and W, and then OK. And then what I'll do, I'll just go ahead and use the Control Shift and W again. And you can see that it starts the application. So the other thing that you may want to do is just go ahead and change the icon. And let's see if there's an icon for Firefox. And then we'll have to try to find the icon. So find is probably under USR directory somewhere. And then iname, and then just gonna see if what comes up. And then this is just looking for a Firefox icon, and it's probably this is the reasonable one to use. So we'll go ahead and rocks, and then shift insert. So we'll go here and then Firefox. Just remember, well, this is just for only for demonstration purposes. So we'll just drag it over here. Now you see that Firefox icon. So now for some of us that like to use the menus, you can go ahead and have to put it here. And to do that, what you do is fire up. Just go ahead and drag this file, .wmrc file into, and then let's see what this. We can just. There is several Firefox. Control F, Firefox. So there is a Firefox ESR. So what we can do is go ahead and copy this sheet and then modify it, copy, and then here I don't use menus, as you can see, and particularly I don't use ESR. ESR I think is mainly for corporation and large companies and so on. So, but and then we can go ahead and still use the same PNG and tooltip, and then here we can go ahead and it'll be OPT and then Firefox app image, and we will go, while we're at it, we'll go ahead and delete this, and then delete it's Control K deletes the line, and then we'll go ahead and save it, and then we'll go ahead and put it on the side for now, and then we're going to restart, just JWM restart, just to read the edited line, and then we're going to go back F12 again, and then go down to internet, and now you see the Firefox, and then set the ESR Firefox has been removed, and we'll just click on the Firefox, and now that works. So you can also put it in alias form, and let me just go through that. So you can go ahead and put it generally in bash rc, or in my case bash aliases. Let me just go ahead and all of you will have bash rc, so we'll go ahead and put that in here, and then we're gonna just add alias equals opt ff app image and exit, and then we will save it. And since we changed, we modified the bash rc file, what we want to do is source root dot bash rc. Now you should have read it. So then what you do is from we should have just alias, we should have ff. We'll just source it again, and then we're just gonna type in ff. Now it fires up fine. So I think those are some of the ways that you can go ahead and start